Hi, I am Ramakrishna, English faculty having 20 years of experience. Sri Sai Vaishnavi Sainik Academy, Suryapet.
Hi, good morning to everybody. I am going to teach you imperative structures. There are only 32 structures in English language. Today I are going to have complete grip on this topic. If you take imperative starts with V1 structure, verb 1. After that one B plus PP form, B plus ing form, B plus no verb. After these four we are going to have imperative structures with these: let me, let us, let him, let her, let them, let it, let all. All means here other than pronouns. Any noun can be used here. Let me, you can form like this, adding B and V1. If you take now, let me be plus PP form, let me be plus ing form, let me be plus no verb, let me plus V1. And the next let us, in the same way you have to do. Let us be plus PP form, let us be plus ing form, let us be plus without form, let us plus V1. Next her, let her be plus PP form, let her be plus ing form, let her be plus without form, without means no verb, let her plus V1. Let them be plus PP form, let them be plus ing form, let them be plus without form, let them plus V1. When it comes to him, let him be plus PP form, let him be plus ing form, let him be plus without form, let him plus V1. Next, let it be plus PP form, let it be plus ing form, let it be plus without form, let it plus V1. If you take any noun, let all be plus PP form, let all be plus ing form, let all be plus without form, let all plus V1. Now you are going to have a close look. If you take let it, can you see? Okay. Let it be plus PP form, let it be plus ing form, let it be plus without form, let it plus V1. Like that we have to form all these things. You are going to have examples. If you take V1, you are going to see this one. Open the gate, come in, take this pen, look at me, follow my rules, look at me, open the gate, don't open the gate. Like that you can use V1. If you take B plus P, be seated here, don't be seated here, be prepared for the next examination. Next, if you take B plus ing form, please be waiting for me until I come, be reading the newspaper, like that. If you take B plus without form, be happy, be there in a minute, I'll come, be cheerful, like that. When it comes to let them be plus without form, let them be in London, let them be with me for 2 days, like that you can use. Next, let her be ready, let it be completed by Malini, let it be plus PP form. Next, let him. Now you take this example, let him plus V1, let me have the fan repaired. Okay, how we are going to use this V1 in our daily lives? For example, I am going to demonstrate how to prepare gulab jams using these imperative structures. Take a bowl, pour some milk and add maida flour, mix it thoroughly, make balls and keep them aside. And take a bowl and keep some ghee in it, fry these balls in ghee, put them aside. Now take another bowl, make sugar recipe and put these fried balls in sugar recipe and allow it for 30 minutes to soak, and then you take a fresh, a serving bowl and take them into your bowl and you can enjoy delicious gulab jam. Like that we can use these imperative structures in our daily lives.
V1. Negative, just you have to add don't before the sentence. Don't open that gate. If you take this second example, B plus PP form. Let's just add don't be seated here. Now when it comes to third example, just use observe B plus ing form. Don't be waiting for me. Next B plus no verb. Don't be happy. Next, let them be in London. Let them be plus nowhere. Don't let them be in London. Let her be ready. Don't let her be ready. Let it be completed by Malini. Don't let it be completed by Malini. Let him have the fan repaired. Don't let him have the fan repaired. Like this. Open the gate. You can see open as B1. Just add don't before the sentence. Don't open the gate. Next, be seated here. Be plus P form. Don't be seated here. Next one. Be waiting for be plus ing form. Just add don't. Don't be waiting for me. Next. Be happy. Be plus nowhere. Don't be happy. Let them be in London. Let them be plus nowhere. Don't let them be in London.